Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to download and install Terabot AI chatbot assistant application. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then tap the search box and type the word Terabox AI. So then search, then you'll get this app. It's a little bit here because uh, Terabot another. Okay, let me check the app name. This is Terabot AI chatbot. So you can see it's early access, so it's still under developing. So once you get this app, simply tap on the install button and it takes few time to install in your device.